What's good, YouTube? It's y'all boy Nat, and we back at another banger video. As y'all can see by today's title, bro, what we getting into, we cutting up in traffic on the highway, bro. I just got off of work. It's 4:19, bro, so this literally like rush hour traffic, bro. It's gonna be turned. This thing be moving. Damn, the car's a little bit cold, so let that bit warm up, but it'll be alright. I don't know if y'all can tell by the last video, bro, but I had to go get that. Even though we doing the speed limit, I had to go get me a radar, bro, because I had no other way to tell where the nice cops were at since I got my phone on my damn head, bro. If y'all watch my videos pretty often, bro, y'all know I'm always like, I usually like cutting up like on this part of the expressway, man. It's always typically open. It's 4 lanes. It get hectic when I start going towards that way, but we'll be alright. Bro, that quarter intake, man. Like I said, I always say, I don't know if the camera pick it up, but this quarter intake be whining. I got a Hellcat for real. That straight pipe in this chain is mug crazy. Y'all see that car going slow as hell? Let's see how warm the car is. That ain't 12. K-band. It be picking up. It's K-band and then KA band. KA band is the cops, and K-band is like sometimes Hondas get picked up with it and all. So we sitting at 165, so the trans temp is good. Damn, I knew it was gonna be traffic, but not this damn much. Gosh, I was clearing up a little bit. We got a little bit of space. All right, now they just driving slow on purpose at this point. Don't y'all want to get home? I know y'all just had a long day at work. Y'all don't feel like driving. So how about y'all drive like y'all got somewhere to be? There we go. We gonna cut right here. There it go. And we gonna cut right here. There we go. They always be slamming on brakes right here. That is not a cop, bro. I swear, some of these cars be going off like crazy. But this is very helpful, man. Especially like on long road trips or like when I'm recording a video and I can't see nothing. It's been real helpful. You'll be surprised though, man. Like this picks up when cops got their radar on. A lot of cops don't ride around with their radar on. I thought they always did. It's only been like a handful that cops I done seen out. Like it's a cop up there. I don't know if y'all see him. But he don't got his radar on because it'll be beeping right now. This ain't got like a 3-4 mile radius, so they'll definitely see it if he did. This ain't be catching up to cops before I even see him. Be cutting up with the cop right there. Speed limit anyway. Or the little burbles. Damn. Bro, I'm telling you, every bump that I hit, bro, it be messing my head up, bro. Cause this phone is so damn heavy to have on your head. Damn, bro, on the phone. Won't care. I'm doing that like I don't got a damn tan wrap. They ain't gonna catch me, but they'll find my car eventually, boy. There we go. I think this thing needs some headers. What y'all think, man? Drop a comment if it need to be louder. I'm loving the sound now, but I'm definitely thinking it need to be loud. I'm trying to be like not obnoxious loud. Like I want to still sound good, have a good tone, but I think I want it a little bit louder, man. Come on, y'all. Give me a little opening I can mess around with. Y'all don't like going to work, man. Now you get time to go to home and y'all driving slow. That's a nice color right there. It's like a light brown. That's tough. That'd be tough on here. Let me know, what's y'all New Year's resolution, man? We already 4 days in, so y'all gotta make sure that y'all staying strict on y'all New Year's resolution. Mine is to hit 10K by the end of the year on YouTube. So I need about 7,800 more. I think that's very, very doable, man. That's my New Year's resolution. And then just hit the gym consistently. I already go to the gym a lot, but some days I don't feel like going, man. I'll be sore. So that's my 2 gym resolutions, and I've been grinding out both of them so far. We only 4 days in, but grinding out, man. So make sure y'all stay consistent, man. If y'all New Year's resolution is to get a Scat, which it might be for some of y'all, don't lose hope, man. Keep grinding, keep getting it in. These cars is very manageable, very maintainable, man. You don't gotta be nobody special. You don't gotta be rich to get one of these cars. You just gotta be financially smart. So make sure if y'all want to get one of these, y'all stick to it. Let that be y'all grind. I'm telling y'all, man, I don't know if y'all can hear that quarter intake, but I can. And I'm telling you, that mud be whining like it's a Hellcat. If y'all got a Scat and y'all got this quarter intake, y'all need to go grab it. I don't know if it's just mine or if everybody else quarter intakes be sound like this, but dude, this don't make no sense how it be sounding like that. If my car was like quieter, you would definitely be able to hear it more, but like just from right here, from this perspective, you can hear it, mother. It's loud too, and it sounds amazing. They be going off of them Hondas. Like y'all probably see it's gonna die down when they get away from that Honda. Something about Hondas that they got in their cars that these radars be picking up. Let's see how it's going away. Damn, that was like a nice little pop. I don't know if y'all heard that. This thing have a lot of backfire out of it. There we go. Truck cut me off. Come on, fam. I know you see this big faster than the fast lane. Just got to get our way up in here. These cars actually ain't that big, so we can fit in gaps all the time for real. Like they're wide, but they're not too long. Plus I drive a truck all the time too, so that might be why this thing seems so small to me. Damn, a little bit tight. Clear this up. Free, easy. When it's a cop, it makes a whole different noise. So you know when it's 12. Damn. Well, if they got their radar on, some of them just be sitting sometimes without their radar on. Good thing though, it's cold out, so these cars, like, that's a cop. Y'all hear that? That's a cop. The question is, where he at? He passed me. Yeah, that was the cop. He must have been going that way. I didn't even see him. Shit, bro, I made it home kind of quick. Make a good time. It's that Honda. I didn't even see that cop, man. I gotta roll back the video. I didn't even see if there was a cop right there. But it definitely went off. It was a cop that had his radar on. He was driving though. This car going slow, man. Yeah, man, so we off the highway now, man. I hope y'all enjoys today's video. Like I said, man, if y'all got New Year's resolutions, stick to it. Keep grinding, man. It's the beginning of a new year, man. Don't let out the brakes. And we're gonna keep just dropping banger content for y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoys today's video. We'll be back with another banger.